Hello everybody. Yesterday I set a challenge to some people in year 6 to find the centre of a circle. Okay, I know it's easy if you've made it with a compass, you just find the point, but that's not the question. If you've got a circle, given a circle, any circle, how do you find the centre of it? I did say you could use a pencil, a ruler, set of compasses if you need. Okay, here's the solution. Couple of key phrases before we begin. You need to know that perpendicular means at right angles to. So if I say draw a line perpendicular to another line, it means you've got a line, you draw another line, and it makes a right angle with it. And the other key word is bisect. Bisect means divide in two. So if you've got a line and I say bisect that line, it means you draw another line or mark it so that that part there is equal to that part there. Okay, so how to find the centre of a circle? Well, simple process really. You draw any two chords anywhere in the circle. A chord is a straight line from one side of the circle to another, or one part of the circumference to another. It can be anywhere, but there's two chords. Okay, you simply measure them, bisect each chord, and draw a perpendicular line at that point. What we say would be perpendicularly bisect the line. So if I measure that line, I find a halfway point there, and I'm going to draw a line at 90 degrees to it. There we go. So there, that makes a 90-degree line. I simply do that to the other chord as well. There's our centre point. I draw a line 90 degrees to that line. There's 90 degrees. And where they meet is the centre of our circle. Okay, and that is the solution, how to find the centre of a circle. Some people might say, how do you know that that is 90 degrees? Okay, obviously you're making a right angle or trying to make a right angle as best you can. There is a process if you want to do it, so it is perfect to perpendicularly bisect a line. If you have a line, let me just clear this so I can show you. If you have any line, and the question is, can you perpendicularly bisect that line? Well, all you do is you get your compasses and you set your compasses a distance apart, more than halfway. So put your point at this here, and so it's going to make an arc there. Anyway, it doesn't have to be accurate, but you're going to make an arc up here. And you're going to make an arc down here as well with those compasses. Keeping the compass at the same distance apart, put the point here and now make an arc where it hits that arc there and it hits that arc there. You now have 2 points you have made by intersecting arcs. If you then join them up with a ruler, okay, you have perpendicularly bisected that line. So you haven't had to use your protractor, all you've used is a compass and a ruler to simply draw a line, a couple of arcs from that point, a couple of arcs from that point, created this cross, join them up, and that perpendicularly bisects the line. You could apply that to these two chords, perpendicularly bisect by doing arcs, and drawing the line if you didn't have a protractor or you weren't sure that that was a perfect right angle. But that's how to find the centre of a circle.